right? Go back in my yard. Go back in my hotel room. The front desk call me. There's some people out here with food for you. And they want to know if you can come down. I say, me not order no food. And how them know the hotel name? Like, what is this? Like, what do you mean there's some people out here with food for you? So, me say, tell them I'm not here. I don't know who that is. And what you can do, you do whatever you want to do with that food. Because me I look at it now, it's like, why would you don't know somebody, right?
Why would I just take some random food?
You don't know me, I don't know you. I never ordered this from nowhere. And you just appear with the food. I say, hey, I must just eat this now.
Yeah, just like a show up unannounced completely.
With a plate of food, and me must just eat it.
Yeah.
I love Jamaican food. Mm-hmm. I always buy Jamaican food. Everywhere I go, I buy Jamaican food. But some of the time, dog, the place that make me feel uncomfortable for going there, dog. I just want to go in there. I love the Jamaican food. I'm walking there, not a soul. No, me, nobody bother me. When me say bother me, I not talk about like, yo, me see a thing them.
Yeah, man.
That's not what I'm afraid of. Me actually want that. If I'm going to a Jamaican restaurant and nobody no recognize me, I have work for do. But the scary part of it is when the food come and then they must say, oh no, worry yourself, man. Just want a job soon. Just say. So now me I come in here so if you buy 2 bags of food, right? And me just want the 2 bags of food, them come, I go pay for it and I go leave. But you want to give me this free and tell me, say, me no need for say, yo, come and such and it just so classless, man.
It's the cheesiest, worst.
But it's just that nobody now call it out.
Yeah, it's like, yo, okay, I'll pay so you're saying it's $60 for these foods.
Here what the killer. When you see when you say no and offer for pay, you feel like the worst human
on the planet
in the world. Because now me I walk out and now him hype. I'm like, no, that is exactly
how hype.
Every time I feel like that.
Yeah, no, you're hype. I'm like, I know.
Because now me have to say, yo, no man, I know I'm probably
I have to kind of bring down the energy a little bit though.